Welcome back. It is day 2. How was yesterday? I hope that you feel good after yesterday's practices. Thank you for coming back, for making more space for yourself today. Today's practice, again, it's going to be a nice short one. We're on my back patio today, just soaking in some of the winter sunshine here in southern Arizona, showing you that you don't have to get out in the woods to be out in nature. You can just be anywhere outdoors to really connect to the natural world. But wherever you are, just go ahead and come onto your mat. We'll start on hands and knees today. So starting with your hands right under your shoulders, your knees right under your hips, arms and upper legs straight up and down. Move through a few rounds of what we call cat and cow. So drop your chest towards the ground, squeeze your shoulders together on your back, lift your tailbone and lift your chin. This is cow pose. Take a full breath in. As you exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to your chest, press your tailbone down towards the ground. So think Halloween cat. Inhale, come into cow. And as you exhale, press into cat. Move like this with your breath. Day 2 is about moving with intention. What does that mean? Just paying attention to how we move, really simple. Trying to be as mindful about our movements as possible. And in the yoga practice, one way we do that is by syncing up our breath and our movements. So having our movements ideally follow the breath. So with your breath, one more full inhale into cow and full exhale into cat. Come to a neutral spine. Walk your knees and feet back quite a few inches. Tuck your toes. Shift your hips up and back for a down dog. We were here yesterday. Feel in, pedal your feet. Maybe there's some spots in your body that are sore. Just settle here. Be intentional with how you press down through your hands. Really press your finger pads down to help support your wrists. Couple more breaths. Look forward. Walk your feet towards your hands. Step your toes right behind your wrists and take a fold. So hands down at least your fingertips. Relax your spine. Try to even relax your neck. And if at first it doesn't feel good to relax your neck, you can give a very light shake of the head, yes and no. You can even kind of shift your weight side to side from foot to foot. Hips high though, long spine. Lean the weight back into your heels, and with soft knees, rise up, stretch up, arms towards the sky, big reach. As you exhale, bring your arms down by your sides, mountain pose. Stand nice and tall, roll your shoulders onto your back, even lift your chin so you open up your throat space so you can breathe. We're going to move with our breath a bit here. As you inhale, reach up, stretch up. As you exhale, fold, hands all the way down. As you inhale, slide your hands to your shins, lift your chest, and move your spine straight ahead. Pause here. Lean the weight forward into your toes. Pull your belly up and in to support your spine, and squeeze your shoulder blades together on your back. Look slightly in front of you. Take a full breath. As you exhale, touch down, step to plank. And plank is shoulders over the creases of your wrists so that your arms are straight up and down, hips in line with shoulders. And if you need more support, you can do this with your knees down, but keep your belly toned even with your knees down. Look out in front of you and lower all the way to your belly. Bring the tops of your feet to the ground. Keep your hands by your ribs and peel your spine up away from the ground. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. The tendency is to push a lot through the hands here. Try to have instead your hands be light. Have the strength come from your hips, your pelvis pressing down into the earth. Really rolling your shoulders back, hug your elbows in, take a full breath. And as you exhale, lower back down. Do that again. As you inhale, curl right back up, cobra pose. And as you exhale, lower. Tuck your toes, push up and back, downward facing dog. And you can do that with knees down for support if you want, but take a couple breaths here. Take a nice full breath in. As you exhale, step your feet to your hands. And with your breath in, slide your hands to your shins, look forward, extend your spine straight ahead. And as you exhale, fold, hands down. With your breath in, stand up, reach up, arms overhead. Exhale, fold, hands all the way down. Inhale, slide hands to shins, extend. Plant your hands, step or lightly hop to plank. Lower all the way down. Hands by ribs, tops of feet down, curl up, cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Exhale, lower. Push up and back, downward facing dog. Take 2 breaths. Take a full breath in. And at the bottom of your exhale, step or lightly hop feet to hands. Inhale, hands to shins, extend, look forward. Exhale, fold. Stand up. Inhale, reach up, arms towards the sky. Exhale, fold, hands down. Inhale, extend, hands to shins. Plant your hands, step or hop plank. Lower all the way down. Inhale, curl up, cobra. Or if you're taking up dog, you can take up dog too. Don't force it. Push back, downward facing dog. Take 2 breaths. Do the pose you're familiar with. The purpose of today is movement and breath, not pushing ourselves into new movements. Inhale here. Exhale, step or hop, feet to hands. Inhale, hands to shins, extend. Exhale, fold. Listen carefully. Bend your knees, drop your hips, reach your arms overhead, chair pose, Utkatasana. And pause here, settle in. Lean the weight into your heels so you feel your glutes turn on. Pull your belly back and move your heart forward, shoulders back. Take a full breath in. Exhale, fold. Inhale, extend. Step or lightly hop to plank. Lower all the way down. Inhale, curl up, back bend, cobra or up dog. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Nice. Moving on, step your right foot forward into a lunge, all the way up, deep lunge. Lower your back heel down to the ground and come on up, arms overhead, warrior 1. Settling in for this first one. Really root down through your feet, square your hips to the front of your mat. And keep your hips low, but reach your spine long. And as you inhale, reach up, stretch up tall. As you exhale, touch down, step to plank. If you've had enough, you can hold or flow through the vinyasa. Lower down, inhale, curl up. Exhale, push back, down dog. Left foot forward this time. All the way up, back heel down. Come on up, warrior 1, arms overhead. Rooting through both feet, hips square, meaning that left hip tucks back. Hips low but long spine. Reach your arms up and back. Full breath in. Full breath out. Touch down, step to plank. Hold or flow through. Making sure you're going as slow as your breath wants you to go. We'll always meet here in down dog. 2 breaths. Last time like that. Inhale here. Exhale, step or hop. Inhale, hands to shins, extend. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, drop your hips, 1 breath, chair pose, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, extend. Step or hop plank, flow through. Exhale, down dog. Step your right foot forward, back heel down, one breath this time. Come up, warrior one. As you exhale, touch down, step to plank, flow through. Downward facing dog, exhale. Left foot forward, back heel down, one breath, reach up, warrior one. Exhale, touch down, flow. Full exhale, downward facing dog. Deep breaths. Lower your knees down to the ground. Make your knees nice and wide, so as wide as your mat, even, big toes toward each other. Send your hips back, crawl your arms forward, child's pose. Rest your forehead on or toward your mat. Take 3 more deep, intentional breaths here. Use your hands to help lift your chest. And there you have it. That was day 2. Moving through those Surya Namaskar, those Sun Salutations, that Vinyasa flow, really incorporating breath and movement together. Thank you so much for making time for your practice today. My name is Kai. I'll see you again tomorrow in the next one. Take care.